If you have your automation running in Jenkins, you are most likely interested in publishing a JUnit report, so the homepage of the test will show you charts. And one of the big issues you're going to face with generating that is with the paths. So the way you generate it, first of all, you're going to have your command output a JUnit report, and you got to know what the path is. Then you're going to click here on the post build actions, and you're going to add publish JUnit. And there, you're going to pass in the file path. And the most important part here, and where you're going to be stuck, is you have to make sure you give it the right path and relative to the workspace. In this case, this is telling me, hey, I can't find it, but obviously I am generating it, right? My JUnit report, junit-report.xml, but it's saying, hey, I can find it. The reason is, and also if we go to like the workspace and you go to automation, you will see that my JUnit report in JUnit, it is there. Why is Jenkins saying I can't find it? Because it's going to look in the root of the workspace. And when we look at our commands here, first we go to CD automation. So we have a folder called automation. We go in there, then we execute the command. We create a virtual environment and everything. We execute the command. So here, this report is outputted into this automation folder. It's not in the root of the workspace. So here, when we give it the path, we have to remember that we actually went to automation. So we're going to give it automation, or lowercase automation / that. So start from the workspace. That is the most important part. If you want to avoid that, then when you generate the report, make sure you're generating it into the workspace root. So we have this automation folder. So you want to go back one. So you're going to do one level up and just generate the report there. If you do this, then you don't need to pass in the automation because the report gets generated in the root of the workspace. So a lot of things when you're working with Jenkins, it has to do with the workspace. A lot of the issues you're going to face, things are not working, it has to do with the workspace and the paths that you're using. So I want to create this video as a tip. Make sure you pay attention to your paths if you are generating a report and publishing it in Jenkins. And this is true for anything you do in Jenkins. Pay attention to your paths.